Friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, do you have knee pain? Many people suffer from chronic knee or joint pain from arthritis or simply strain from everyday life. Fortunately, yoga therapies are a proven remedy. So, here I am sharing some amazing yoga therapies that will strengthen your knee and help elevate knee pain. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy, that is bridge pose. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now bend your both knees. Here, hold your ankles by your hands. Now slowly raise your lower body up with inhale. Here, exhale. Now no need to control your breath. Stay in this position minimum 15 breaths and feel the stretch on your thigh area and on your knees area. After 15 breaths, slowly release the posture and relax your breath here. Again with inhale, raise your lower body up. Exhale. Stay here minimum 15 breaths. These yoga therapies are extremely helpful to release, to elevate your knee pain. After 15 breaths, release the posture and release your whole legs. Now the second yoga therapy, for that take the posture. Sit on the Vajrasana pose first. Now here slowly stand on your knees. Tuck your toes on floor. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now here your palms, your hands on your waist. Now with inhale, hold your right heel by your right hand. With inhale, your left hand, hold your left heel by your left hand. Now open your chest, open your shoulder. Balance your whole body on your knees. No need to control your breath here. Breath normally. Stay in this position minimum 10 breaths, maximum as much as you can. After 10 breaths, slowly release the posture. Minimum 5 times in a day you can practice it for positive results. Again with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breath normally here. These yoga therapies are extremely beneficial for knees pain. They elevate your knee pain. After 15 breaths, slowly release the posture. Relax your breath. Release the posture. Now relax your body, relax your breath. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get rid from knee pain. Namaste, take care and be connected.